Hey cruisers, I'm Sherry with Cruise Tips TV and Cruise Gear, and today we're doing one of my favorite things, and that is bargain shopping for a cruise. So we're going into Target right now, and we're going to be shopping in 5 of my favorite categories that Target has to offer. So let's jump in the store and I'll tell you what those categories are and we'll see what we can find. Let's do it. All right, the first category I love to shop for at Target is swimwear and cover-ups and basically resort wear. I mean, you guys, look at this adorable stuff. So cute. So they have awesome selection for women, kids, and for men, and we're gonna be checking all of that out today. But the great thing about Target is that if you don't find what you like in the store, you can just jump onto the website, and they really do have swimwear year-round, which is so great if you're going on a cruise, because think about it, a lot of us cruise in the middle of winter to escape the cold, right? So check it out. We'll put some links to some of our favorite products in the description below, but for now, let's see what's in the store. Another thing we regularly shop for at Target is kind of a build your own first aid kit. Of course, they have cool little first aid kits that look like this, and you can find them in the travel size toiletry aisle, but we like to add to ours with things like vitamin C to stay healthy on the cruise or before. We like to get some pain reliever as well, Dramamine for motion sickness, and of course, you gotta have a little bit of Pepto. Okay, I could spend all day in the sample size toiletry aisle here at Target. I'm gonna show you as many things as I possibly can that I typically buy here, but the options are really endless. For my husband, travel size shave cream. This stuff is the best and it lasts forever. A little bit of off, this is bug spray in case you're going somewhere that's a bit boogie. Shampoo and conditioner, of course, but you can also get these in Target beauty boxes, which I will link to in the description below. Q-tips, travel size deodorant. If you're lucky enough to have a laundry room on your ship, grab some Tide Pods so you don't have to pay for detergent in the self-serve laundry on your ship. Tissue is excellent for travel, of course. Tide to go, especially if you're traveling with kids or if you're like me and you're just a messy spaghetti eater. Toothpaste is great. They also have travel size toothbrushes. Little itty bitty great high quality sunscreen. And last but certainly not least, you gotta have some makeup wipes. Some of my favorite sunscreen products I always pick up at Target. They have this 2-pack of Neutrogena Wet Skin Kids, which works out really well for our whole family. It just applies really well and you can kind of put it right over sand or anything. Sunscreen, it's great and it stays on and nobody tends to burn with this. So grab a 2-pack. They also have the same type of Oops product in a facial stick that my son loves. It doesn't burn his eyes and he applies it himself, so this is a favorite. My mom and I tried out this hydrating Hawaiian Tropic product when we were in Cabo San Lucas recently because our skin kept getting really dry from going in the pool all the time. So this is gonna be on my must-buy list. This is only a 30, but it worked out just great for us. I also wanna mention that some of my favorite budget self-tanning products are here. They have this Neutrogena Micro Mist that you can get in either a deep intensity or a medium intensity. So let's go check out the last item that we like to buy at Target now. The last thing that we like to buy at Target is totally conditional. It's based on two things, and that is whether or not you're driving to your port, because you don't want to take this stuff if you're flying, and whether or not your cruise line allows you to pack your own beverages. So yeah, we shop for beverages at Target sometimes when we're going on a cruise, but only if we're driving to port. For example, if we're going from where we live down to Long Beach and getting on a Carnival cruise, we know that they allow certain types of beverages. You can take a couple of bottles of wine per stateroom or some canned soda and things like that. Now remember, with Carnival, you can't take any plastic. So here's a typical shopping trip for me when I'm getting ready for a cruise. The first thing I'm gonna buy is a bottle of Prosecco. I love to take this and then also pack some sparkling water. This is heavy, like LaCroix in this amazing hibiscus flavor, and make little champagne cocktails out of it. It's so good and it saves so much money. My husband, if we're not buying any kind of a soda package, we're usually gonna get a 12-pack of cans of Diet Cokes, but not bottles. So yeah, Target's a good place to shop for this kind of stuff. If your cruise line allows you to take some water, you could do that too, but usually we just have the water delivered to our stateroom. So we appreciate you guys watching today. We hope this was a helpful bargain shopping trip to Target for your next cruise. We're gonna go ahead and link to some of the stuff that we showed in the video today down in the description below, in the event that you can't find it at your local Target or it's just something you'd prefer to buy online. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a great cruise, and until next time, get in gear and get cruising. Bye-bye.